come on a little snorkel swim with us. We are at Crystal Lake State Park. And look very quickly here. From the right, moving to the left, it's just a little tiny little, stuck there, good. That was our little mink right around in the beaver lodge. Down here we have a fish. I'm hoping to get a lot better at IDing, knowing all the things that are down in our lake. This is a fish. This is one of my real first times getting the GoPro out and going. If you have any GoPro tips for freshwater filming, let us know. Here we have our freshwater mussels, just like boom, plowing through the bottom floor. And it's like, look at all down here. Got like a little party going on, but wait, it gets weird. Like, just like more like, well, what's going on down there? We know we have our crop circles, but what about our mussel circles? Wow, they met in the middle. It's adorable. And then we still kind of keep looking. I thought, whoa, having a little trek there. Love it. And then another one. All right. Can't wait to see what we find next. Bye.